Hey, welcome back. Today is December 22nd, Tuesday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets really quickly, as I've already done so on my previous post today, before diving into Litecoin, LTCUSD, see what has changed in this market, and I'll be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenario, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market, according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit. They will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets first. I did mention, as I did in my last post, that Bitcoin dominance does have possible bearish divergence on the 3-day time frame, and Bitcoin price action itself has possible bearish divergence on the daily time frame, depending on which combination of a pullback or another leg up for either of these markets. I'll be paying very close attention to, as that could affect altcoin markets, as we have seen even in the past 2 days when Bitcoin price action pulls back while Bitcoin dominance trends up. That's very bad for the altcoins. Now, let's see what is going on in Litecoin. Of course, in the back of my mind, always be paying attention to Bitcoin price action. Now, let's see what is exactly going on in Litecoin. I don't really trade Litecoin, so let's start from the very bottom here and see what exactly is going on a macro level. I'll zoom all the way out to the monthly time frame and see where exactly the price action is at. I want to know if it's on a uptrend, downtrend, or reversal. I do think a lot of altcoins are on a reversal right now because of that sell-off we have had back in September and October, and this is no difference. I do see that since November, Litecoin has actually just broken on top of the 21 and the 50 simple moving average on the monthly time frame, and now it's on top of these two moving averages. So this tells me on a macro level, this is on an uptrend. Now, the current resistance that is most apparent to me right now is the 0.236 fib level right here at about 107. I would say it's about 110 in that range. Okay, so that is acting as immediate resistance. However, if you guys do take a look at this huge rounded bottom that has been forming for quite some time, there is little doubt in my mind that this is going to continue going up. You guys let me know what you think. Now let's take a look into a smaller time frame, and I do still see that the price action is above basically all moving averages on the weekly time frame, and the 21 has crossed over the 50, and it's now going to cross over the 200 right here, which is the orange line. So this tells me it is on a reversal. And on the 3-day time frame as well, the 21 has already crossed over the 200, and the 50 is about to cross the 200 as well. On the daily time frame, everything's pretty much crossed over, and the more recent moving averages are on top of the less recent moving averages, so that's a good sign on the daily time frame. However, something to note is that I do see possible bearish divergence on the daily time frame already. If I actually do compare this top right here with this top, however, on the RSI, it is a double top, so that is bearish divergence. What I do expect here is if this fib level does not hold at about 106 to 110, like I said, I think it's more of a zone than actual a certain price level. So if this zone does not hold, then I would be looking for possible support at the daily 21 simple moving average. Now, it does not necessarily mean that the price action has to drop all the way to 90. It could also mean that the price action could stick around here, while this moving average can actually come up and be a catalyst for a bounce. Let's see which one actually holds up more with the price action hold up at this fib level, and wait until the 21 fib level to come up and actually meet the price action, or would the price action actually just drop all the way down to the 21 simple moving average? That would tell me there's less buyer strength in this level, and until the daily 21 simple moving average actually gets up there, then I don't expect a bounce in that scenario. Now, let's also take a look into the 3-day time frame, where there is still possible bearish divergence that could be playing out right now, as we do see no bearish divergence on the 3-day time frame to be technically correct, because I'll be comparing this top right here with this top, and this top right here on the RSI is obviously higher. So technically we don't have possible bearish divergence on the 3-day time frame, and not on the weekly, but it could be a pullback here. So what I'm seeing right now, what I do expect in the near future is, if this fib level right now does not hold the 0.23 fib level does not hold, then it's going to come down and meet the 21 simple moving average. Depending on which one plays out first, if there's enough buyers at this level, then I do expect the price action to consolidate, to keep consolidating around this level until this daily 21 actually comes up and meet it, and that could be a catalyst for a bounce. You guys, let me know what you think. Now, I don't see any clear pattern that has been forming on some of these bigger time frames, and even on the lower time frames as well. It's pretty sporadic movement, possible double top right here, and even if this was a double top, I would say the target of this double top would have been reached anyways. So that is my basic evaluation of the Litecoin market right now. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenario. The bullish case scenario, I would like to actually see that the price action just sticks around this area and not drop all the way down to about $90, because that's still a pretty steep drop, especially for a pretty big coin like Litecoin. Okay, so I don't think 10% is going to be easily gained back. So bullish case scenario, if the price action can actually stick around here and wait for the 21 simple moving average to actually come up and be a possible catalyst for a bounce here. Now, that is the bullish case scenario. If this fib level does not get broken, preferably, if I would like to, if daily candles can actually keep closing on top of this fib level, that would be ideal. Bearish case scenario, I do think if there is not enough buyers here, then I do think that the price action is going to come down to meet the 21 simple moving average at least. Okay, so that is what I'm seeing right now on the Litecoin market. You guys let me know what you think. Hope you guys found this helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you guys manage your risk carefully, and if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.